Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Today we are going to take a look at the chord changes we need the most. We have learned 9 chords in this series, and if you do the math you will get 72 chord changes altogether. Now excluding the duplicates too, it's 36 chord pairs. I have done the work. If interested, I'll share the link in the description to download the Excel sheet of different chord pairs. Now, working on 36 chord changes means 36 minutes of practice session. Now, that's too much. But fortunate enough, we have a shortcut. Many songs use common chord progressions. C, F, G, A minor and D minor being the most used, or the same progression in other keys. So, using a capo on this common chord progression will help you a lot. You can work on that. Or if you think of it to be a challenge and take every 36 pairs to 60 changes in a minute, no harm in that too. But in reality, we don't use many chord progressions. For example, A to C or D major to D minor are very rare chord progressions in songs. So a better way would be to take out your songbook, list down all the chord changes to work upon and target one by one. Try to fit no more than 4 to 5 chord changes in a minute routine in your daily practice. Once you are pretty confident with this set of changes, move on to the next set of chord changes. That's it. If you have any ideas, suggestions or thoughts, let me know in the comment section.